Galing ko sa Maxwell Food Center. Naka one meal pa lang ko, which is yung Hainanese chicken. Wala pa na ako ng pound kung ang yadto actually, which is tong pakute. More siya pork rib soup, and wala ko yung nakita though, so maybe mangitatag lang yung hawker center, but let's see. So I'm gonna kaon. Right now I'm just chilling sa gawas, drinking some Coke Zero. Init kayo sa road. Like automatic sweat everywhere. But the food is good, super cheap too. Is it cheap? Sakto na. Pwede na. Yeah, busog ka. Soup was really good. I like the ribs. Much needed Coke Zero. After all that food, and you know, it's so hot inside. Tambay na ko dali. Actually, I don't know where to go next, so I just hang around here. What a view, right? Damn. Super nice. Ano isa akong front. So, karon I'm just chilling again at a random place where, you know, wala kay tao, which is I like. It's super super peaceful. Trawa. Damn, look at that view, man. So, it's very chill. And kaniyang kaniyang view on the flip side. Here's the skyline. Hey. Yeah, tree guy. What a view. So hello guys. Karon na sa Hong Kong. This is our last stop before we go home. So let's enjoy. So bago tayo magkaon, he had some like beef brisket noodles and gabi ka namin. So karon nagalako-lako lang ko. I don't know where I'm gonna go as always, and yeah, let's see as naman ito. Try na ito if lami. This pineapple bun. Tara na ito. Tambay sa ta sa sa Kowloon Park. Relax lang and enjoy the sounds of people talking, live fountain doon. Peaceful lang siya for me. Hindi ko ipog lakaw-lakaw. So mag-rest ako. Uli na ta. So today, at my agenda day is we're gonna go to Ocean Park. So yeah, join me guys. Adventure na punta. We're gonna go to a theme park and I think it's gonna be fun. But it's gonna close at 7 and it's currently like 3:15. So we're gonna do it quick. So tara. So, nag-uulan day gamay. But it's okay, I think it's part of the experience. So yeah, first thing I want to try is the roller coaster. So let's find it muna. Damn. Oh my gosh. I think that's the best part of this theme park. That dog. I ain't gonna lie, I'm getting nervous. Oh my gosh, it's so high. What am I doing? Oh, masadlok ako compared to itong bungee jump. Oh my gosh. Bahala na. It's not that bad pala. It's not that bad, so I'm okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh, no way. Oh. Oh, the view is nice though. Oh. Oh my gosh, no way. This is a bad decision. What the? Like, stop. Oh no, 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 no. Tanong sa taas, tanong sa taas, tanong sa taas, tanong sa taas, tanong sa taas. So nice. Damn. Sakay tayo niyo. Wala pwede ma-video. Damn. That made me dizzy. Oh my gosh. Sayang hindi ako nag-video, bawal daw. But it was super fun. I think I might go one more before I leave here. That's the next one we'll try. I think the other one looks scarier though. A little bit underwhelming. So maybe I rode the the most extreme roller coaster here, so I don't know, meh.
Lock the safety belt and double check the lock. 你把操控杆保留在中间位置。多謝乘坐者，祝大家平安健康。
Malipong lang ko. Thanks. But the view is pretty nice though. It's raining lang talaga. Ulan lang dyan. Karon one last roller coaster then I'm straight, I'm done. Time to go, kaya gusto ko na kayo ulan. That was fun though. I'm tired. Pagpuin ako. Wala pa rin ako nakakaon ganito bro. So I'm gonna find some good food when I get back. Okay, so it's time to go. Just landed ko for, I don't know, 20 minutes kasi wala ko ipayong. And now I ran to the nearest gift shop and bought me some umbrella and a shirt. Gasto pa ta, but it is what it is. Now I can go home na yay. So today we're gonna walk around this shopping area. I think it's Causeway Bay. So let's see kung anong meron dun. Also I have this Ocean Park umbrella. Akong savior tong time na nag-ulan kusog. So yeah, let's see what they got. So nagkaon na ng day ko. Kanyang ikaw. This kimchi pasta. Sounds interesting, so let's try. Good. Yes, sir. Got some steak. Natagkaon. So karon balik sa Tag-Hotel. So I'm finally here in this airport. I'm about to go home. I guess this marks the end of my my vacation, my solo traveling trip. It was really fun. I really enjoyed it. So I'd just like to thank you all for watching. Salamat sa pagtanaw and watch out for our next vlog. See you all.